Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you change your Gmail in Instagram. So at first, just go to the Instagram. Now in the Instagram, click the bottom right your profile icon. Now just click the top right the three dash icon here and select the first option, settings and privacy. Now just click on account center and in account setting click on the second option, personal details. Now just select the first option, contact info, and tap the bottom add new contact. Tap on add email address. Here you need to just put your new email address here, and after putting your new email address select this your account. By adding this, your email address will be replaced by the other email address, and after that just click the bottom next option. And this is how you can change email in Instagram. So guys, that's how you can change email in Instagram. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.